Stupid Bird Review! We're back with Stupid Bird Review number 7 with this dude. This is the Hawaiian crow. As you can tell, he's really amazing. I mean, he's so cool. I mean, he's just the best thing in the universe. Okay, that's a bit of an overstatement, but he's a pretty cool bird. So this is the newest bird, or one of the two newest birds Walsh Public released, the other being the gray jay. And there's no old version of it that I know of. It's just a completely new bird. Look at his face. Mine's name is Shadow. This guy. And this is a... he works too, actually. Pretty long. Yeah. So, and for some reason, his tag is extremely generic. And I'm not sure why, but it's like extremely generic. It says Alala Hawaiian crow, Corvus hawaiianensis. And on the back it says held or critically endangered. Maui Forest Bird Recovery Project. But it doesn't open or anything. It doesn't even say Wild Republic on it. It's extremely generic, and I don't know why. On the tag here, we have a little... a tag that says www.wildrepublic.com. This is one of the only Wild Republic birds to actually have an extra orange tag. There's a Wild Republic monkey right there. And here's his tag. And he was made in, let's see. He was made in 2023. He was made in 2023. And overall, it's a really interesting bird. I'm glad they're making new birds again. And here's the press your sign. And here's this little hanging thing. So I give this one a 9 out of 10. I like how his tail is really big. He has a huge tail. So he's all black with a gray beak. Little black covering of it there. It's also really cute. For some reason. So yeah, that is the Hawaiian crow.